Hey, this is Justin from Firstech. We're here at SEMA 2024 for the second year in a row. Let's take a look to see what's new at Firstech.
Let's take a look at these remotes. First in the Pro line, we have a 3-button that will do trunk, it will do remote start. It'll even handle sliding doors on your minivans and stuff like that. Then we're talking about the G17, which is our Prime remote in a different 3 form factor, but it is in your Prime line. Still handling auxiliaries, remote start, all from 3 buttons. So also replacing 1 and 4 buttons in that category.
Let's talk about dash cams. Here we have the new Momento M8. It's available in 3 versions ranging from 1080p to 4K. First thing you'll notice is its slim form factor. It's gonna mount directly to the windshield and look really nice and not clutter up anything on your dashboard. It comes with a rear camera and records in up to 4K resolution, meaning that you're gonna get crystal clear details of everything that happens in front of your vehicle. Next, let's talk about the Drone XC dash cam. It's SEMA's best new product last year. It's the world's first dash cam that integrates with an aftermarket remote start or security system, meaning that from bumper to bumper, your vehicle is going to be protected. It supports live view over LTE, so you can see what your car sees in real time right on your smartphone.
We do have a new piece of hardware that we're advertising here at SEMA. It's the new Drone X2 Max. We are going to be doing some vehicle health information in the very near future with PIDs. And this will give you like tire pressuring, monitoring information, maybe fuel information, really dependent on the vehicle, and what we get from the CAN bus is what we're going to be able to populate with vehicle health.
Brand new this year that we're showing at SEMA is our new Compustar head unit. This is a first for us, and we're really excited to bring this to the market. The coolest thing about the new radio is that it has a Maestro MRR2 built in. We're also going to offer industry standard features like CarPlay and Android Auto in this head unit.
My favorite part about SEMA is being able to be face-to-face with the dealers.
I love meeting all of our partners.
Being able to talk to different people that I might not normally talk to about our technologies and some of the products that we have.
When I do technical support, I'm only hearing their voices, so when we get to put face to who we would talk to, it's the greatest experience in the world.
Yeah, it's always good to kind of foster that relationship. Like, we built our business on relationships. You know, we make good products, but at the end of the day, a lot of products perform the same function, and success comes from building that relationship with the dealer.